edit nano atumuno no any chief executive officer CEO ya wada Center for Constitutional Studies ano and wade nano atumun said democracy ni die said ya yade amanyo sem ewura mu eya ne sa toy no ebe wiase ya ne nyina die nsa be hye no mu akaneda chimbi
yemfa ya ni nkyeremu ewo ensem foforo mu nansan ensuo to kakra bi a expose yempa se wo man oman no emunya fa kora efi nko a ena edokoro yenso yesi ye Kristo man ena yedi ehu fi saa nanso ahone die ya wona pete kora eno ena kane mayo anu wa won kan ha na wono koro ye wona emra sebadwani ye ogina ma de hia ewo Ablekuma Central Alfred Okovandapoy mayo abodje se wono na eka sai o ka de a kire mensiri ahodo ni nyina titiri ni mpanifo ewo mu ni se hwe we adwene ni nyansa ye nton bola yi pa siesi ye ni ya mko bisa zum lion ne asadu ni enti o mo sesa bola sika we wo mu no na senka mu bomodin a pe engineering solution bi dia ba na no ya akosumpo na aye engineer monkotai na wo kire se mo fa na adwen kire ne pa na mo dia ya adwuma ka assembly mu hia kura se ebrem assembly common fund an kan betimi ya adwuma pa na wona so mpaka se ya chensem ni sei.
During the time when I was mayor, we look at all these issues and we put together a program to sort of answer and provide solutions to all these challenges. So during my time, we were trying to find a dumping site and not just dump, because that's what we've been dumping and dumping. But we have to find a way, because waste today is value material. So what can we do with our waste? We need to find a way to take value, because we can use our waste to construct our rules. We can use our ways to do so many things that will be productive in answering so many other questions. And that is where the world is going. And we can be part of that. That's mindset. So during the country program, that's what we were going to do. It's not just a matter of dumping, because as for that, it has not helped us. So we need to come to a time where we say 3 assemblies, 4 assemblies come together. Let's collect our waste, but let's do something with it. No, the mindset has to change. It's not a matter of just dumping. And we can do it.
We nyasi ya kwa kotu agusa ye betimi aye na nya sika die ene mpesame nkumunya ne hwehwani mu niama ka kotu ngura gu anan kwa kotu agusa afi be kakra hwa ya ma na wonya ba bi mfa biem nanso se wode kwan pa obetimi afaso anya sika wo mu a se wire crude wire yi kura mpo no petro ene na asefo nyina no ye nya bi free ball mu eho senke ya na dan ni sa ne de engineering solution de aka ho a ankoma nke two straight of form musumukura anken haye we era Alfred Okovandapoy kane mayo abodje se anu wadan kran wanda ye Ablekuma Central mrase dwani wanda kan
one some foforo no Chamber of Oil Marketing Companies ye twa won tia frɛ wonum Comac one pennyfo e de wo anu atum bi wo mo se wo mate Ghana fo so adan ye no ane sai e na amenye ye hata ne sai ene ekoyi ye aye hata wei ni nyina ne se empennyfo akire mu se liquefied petroleum gas LPG aye gas mframaja yi wo ma sase de tuo ne bi atoso a sebio amane bo no apeja ya me ebe ha me wo a wo yusu gas no wo so ebe ha wo enti no se de ekwa ne de ahwe yi a empanifo akire mu se yenya beja gas ni yusuo ni yakwa kanetete na ne yusu mochia no enti na ne ye wura asemasi kokofuo mu a ni yakwatwitwaja ne bia ye wi a ye de bra ne ya chim ne ya de aba ye be yusu mochia bi so akoport na eja bidie ne saa forest fo na ni amafo benya amane sa ye be hye bidie bebre ni nyina ewo afa honom opani a wakasa eye owura Gabriel Kume upiemu e Ghana International Petroleum Conference a why board chairman ewo Comac mu eno ade atumu se wo mu etie Ghana fo so frɛ yeni a yeto gas ni yesu na yesu ni nyina begu wo mu kiri so si yesu ni yenya sika metwa na ekame akoye se akwasi kwa no nkwa mame afia kra bese no otete honom ebe ha dwen enti aban ne hwa na to na wasaso ade ato gas enframaja no so no wo hwema adehye no enyim firi so.
Government cannot be pretending to be pushing up the consumption of LPG, to be improving the consumption of LPG, whilst at the same time you are putting taxes on the product. We believe as a matter of urgency that all taxes on the LPG must be removed to bring the price of LPG down. Currently, we have about 16 to 18% taxes on the price of the product. And if these taxes are removed, the experts are projecting that if these taxes products are removed, we are likely to increase consumption of LPG by about 20 to 25%. So it's very, 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 if government genuinely wants to improve and increase the consumption of LPG, the first step that government must take is to take off all taxes from LPG. And that is something that the Chamber of Oil Marketing Companies are going to push for, to ensure that taxes on LPG are removed, to free the product, to make the product tax-free.
Daniel Mumpushi had a palma and Kabe, there's a tax and a crown went to me free swag, the Brunibeka subsidy. No, 1 year now, Jawanoso and Febina Kofa Kumebi, and my Naki emphasizes a new bonnet test is one Kagana this year. Yabafana sad, open your casa ye, Ura Gabriel Kumi, Upiemo, our Ghana International Petroleum Conference. Wano, why a bot chairman, I will come back to Medi no more, and now when in some truck for Casaya, every some paya than your tree, at the Asomo.
I know the no credit, Kotogas, if any boarding, Yasim Kuma, and so Kokra near Simon Muno. Now was answer me, Yahono. And Chamber of Petroleum Consumers, Kopek. One more casa, Eddie found on Jesu, we no crown or senka. Over Saint Tiana Bonaya de Noa. Sanans and Middle East, Ntokoya Siwe, and one can one, yeah, Beze, and Nancy Econan Suni, no far to bomb boy free America. Aqua, or free swap. What they homes are, and no can be noon to crown are buying what is a tour, Acacia, a tour, and Ketua, a tour, Adantamo, a tour bebre. Ya, what dear goose are, gas in your money, American in our suite. Now, so I got to say, I buy no say, oh, to me, now I establish strategic reserve fund beer, a bet me about my no. Anka, a token in an gonna rear, now 200 and get here, yet the two baby. I fear no baba boy, now what Chinabino, before for crazy external shock be assigned by your insurance war, net me a boy. You're a Dankanamo, one of the Copecano.
I would want to believe that the government is also minded by these developments. When you have a reduction that comes in at 30 pesos and then an increment comes in at 90, it takes your prices back to high levels. This leaves us to continuously advocate for a strategic reserve fund that should be able to cater for this country as and when fuel prices decline. We should be able to have the funds to buy and stock fuel so that if you wake up tomorrow and due to geopolitical tensions is gone up again, you could use that stock that you got when fuel prices were lower to stimulate the market. Unfortunately, we still have a bust that has zero reserves.
We yera dankanamwa wanona wadako peke ano ena wane sompaka sie echesa enkomoi.
Yet one samuno eso ewan samfu from na yenyina yenimdie esisie ewa South Africa enam so Emma Ghana by cra aquacofa Ghana this year be a baguswa. One more essence so a young honshesha yakofa be ababeka who wa babanqua dear do bad do sat up no yabema be yabema baby kama na also wait to me edia yawajuma nene dear kekeka hoam. Na be me bisase aso. Dear South Africa for a year. Ya na no kra brantia ba kwa South Africa 20 years. E ho no kwa wade ya awaye na dwuma ho. Wo ho no mu anu omu aba. Go back kokuro mununu na ya beji adwuma no na wo mo so omu free South Africa wo mo ababe investment ya na so omu ababe ye nyuma e wo man mo so aban e so musai na munti yi ye nyina ya kaka na bi mo atwe mo hwa kwakọ MTN Ghana fo ase wo mo de wo mo eba Ghana no emfinhia porpada duasani na wo mo betimi de wo mo sesi wo mo bu se ken amene bua no nsu agusu se Ghana fo ma bua mo papa enyuma wo mo magana fo enyuma ya papa enti wo mo ni ba bia akọ wo mo gusu a wo mo ene mo yi adwuma eye ne yie wo mo no nyi wo mo na akọhye obi kutupa eso obi nkọpa mo obi emfi South Africa ho na wo mo de enye Ghana nko a na wo no mo wo amama bebre so ene wo mo eye adwuma Jumadi a one at the so our Western Serene Atlantic Hotel. Ya no water crade yen some training Erikanan and no copy mu wafaho and somewhere or Michael Bewonyo what did two Jano watching be by say.
And I can say also that based on the contribution of MTN to the Ghanaian society, you can even tell by the number of people that MTN employs, the numbers of people who are engaged in activities that MTN sponsors. I can say on authority that MTN has invested in Ghana. We're a Pan-African organization, right? So please just abuse your mind on the fact
Ena wakasa ye Chief Internal Audit and Forensic Officer ewo MTN Ghana Ora Michael Gbewonyo ena wakasa ye ewo bra Western Serene Atlantic Hotel ye no water kwade wo mu finhia aduasa wo mu die no mu so bo adwane bi ewo afa ho no mo a wo de sanse mi tu dwa se moda maninkum ma mo nkasa MTN Ghana be ko ba bia wo mo ewo wo mo ye Pan African Organization wo mo ni ba bia ko wo mo da so ne ye netetetere Ghana fo mo ma yenwuma ne bia ye ne ade a ya wo mo de emunsem esuma yensem twani erekanan yo to nkra finfini mantam som yen eno de bai
abusia sene nso se endpoint homeopathy clinic na dawroma eno ama ba bia atena endpoint homeopathy clinic okron ma bo hia e wa asante mantamu no asanso was Spinters Road share signboard enkran ha sei no ma che na kira kwan yo hwe odi ne ya wo emma wa wade enum ba bia ma kira okwan na wakwaje embade bie eye endpoint homeopathy clinic be man so ade boy ni atim se wedie wa utimi se wedie wajojo obi baba jai sa de nye for the chemo endpoint homeopathy clinic aso ye na ye mo apa yade bia efiri utrinua no kosi ubawra no udu endpoint homeopathy clinic ye hwe etu ase yi firi kokra na ekwa emma ebio wo de no ubehia physiotherapy ana ye massage bra endpoint homeopathy clinic na ye mo apa mesi ye wo kronma bo hia wakumase ena nkran hanso Spinters Road share signboard e ho ne butu frayen was 0244 867 068 0244 867 068 and 0274 234 321 0274 234 321 and you may any area nyina ye be kwa kodidi baby aye kodidi no Hajia special local foods aduane papa fie baby a ye aduane papa no Hajia wase bra na bedidi beje aduane papa ne ya haw ne akiri nia udi a enkoye wo ha aduane am di ye di asemeyam ehuda bi nya Hajia aduane udi a tibisa mpa wadidi tibisa we die ma mensa no pe efie pe na wo fra we aduane bi a wo pe tudi na fa ko ana wo de ne jolofo gobe ana fufuo de banku ope nkwan ana ope de ehim bia odi ania ope bia ko Hajia special local foods na fi wo mo na wo mo aduane pende wo ye adwuma fiti adopa no nwotwe dikosi adwumre no nwotwe mpa mu pepepe wo hacho atomeke kwan so ya transition chan hwa na obutuo e bia meka se wontimi nko ofra so ya ba wabre unya ya nke efa aduane mero delivery 0246 359 921 0246 359 921 and 0594 797215 0594 797215 now the nsuo kasa natural mineral water e de atoso sa wo koyo obi adoye fa nsuo ka ho esanse water is life enye nsuo bi akeke kasa is life kana mentie kasa is life ensu papa no e na me kire wo no upe nsuo papa na wanom ni abenya hoden wo mu eye kasa natural mineral water ya kire ho CASA ni awatro ne de ho exact ASA say XASA KASA KACA nyania o usi atro ho CASA na atro no kasa water na natural mineral water na san gu ase esa pepacho ye nia ye wo enkran he ya back hospital na chi wo e wo taifa e bia pese ye de bibro ba bia wo bia abre bia frayen was 0206 469 430 0206 469 430 na oni yen akasa mami obana diaper be na ade bono mpacho mi busa wo imano diaper be na ade bo akoda no onse wonti bi nya no na no so ma akoda se wo ngoto bi mrewa wo koto obi wo junction so a na yen tworo ho PERFECT perfect yen tworo ho sa no wonse wo de bo akoda no ne to ho nkomi agu ne to ho jai wonse na no de bi ade bo akoda ne sei enu sei wo junso ye no na o se wachi eye watade mu nyina ema eba ya be ye ntoma na wo de akiri ne nyina ka ho bowura shop bi ebe wo okwa so ope perfect baby diaper tudi nakọ perfect baby diaper perfect hygienics limited Ghana ya enwan ye no na wan aye e dia ba dwama so ma FDA for so ahwem ahunu sampa Ghana Standards Authority zo ahunu sampa the Ghanaian standard and wo maye ne e besuti Ghana nkoda na bebia atumi aye fan san woda no se ne yetie wozon layer no atie no ho woda no se ne yede maye climate ne sesan bia no a wo mo study and wo maye ho de ade se de be ye be wo nkoda no wo mo ho ban eno nti bowura shop bia mu na akwapa wo de sisi a choose comfort eno na make am for amawi won na timanim no na mesrawo bia na wo pedodo na wetu aton ana wo penchiremu comfort adawromenti fra 0531 099 889 0531 099 889 na fe one empani abo enkomo afe yamfa nsam ne nkowie e wa alata ye kwa alata memu na we academic staff union of secondary schools asus awon Nigeria en wa mokasa say no kure hwa ade bi koso e wo alata memu na no na Ghana fo oka na wan shada mfa na asem say na fe no mate asese empani aka say okwato sabo ne butu ni aso a kasa sori yeso en kasa sori ne so no afi na wan ate ase na wan Ghana fo eche pa wan say sese uko suku su mu a enrollment nko sese nkoda no wan uko suku ni kakra bi na wokoyo ayurumi afrumi ni kakra no onya 13 years 14 years kwa kodu 15 16 17 no eje school no what galamsi ase na wo body ene oba na wo twa black ya se ne yakodo kita ne pa wo de twa black no nya asem kuma eno na asusufo wo mo mpanifo de atodwa ene akasa mafo ni bebre ene wo makasa fa no mo chese we die wo mo mo na we kura no se de ade yi kwe sika no kura mi ahene sika ketua bia de baga na sika mu a be se 100 cities ni 150 cities pe ene de ma wo nanso eno etwe nkoda free enwoma sua mu ede won ko ba bia enye hazardous work ena won ye ne sa enti mpanifo emre wo momoa.
NEC in session notes that insecurity in the country is a big threat to education. Session therefore calls on the establishment of Special School Protection Squad, which we call SSPS, as all of C schools are soft targets to attack. God at all levels should also intensify efforts to rescue other victims of adoption still in captivity. NEC in session calls on government at all levels to, as a matter of urgency, discourage illegal mining and engagement of children in mining activities in every community. This will bring back children to the classroom.
The roles of government, the roles of the teachers themselves, the roles of the students and the parents. We all need to join hands together to build a great nation.
Wow. Asusu fo mpa ni fo no na wo makasa no. Nti Nigeria brofo enu wo mabubu mu kakra kama. We Academic Staff Union of Secondary Schools Asus Nigeria. Wo na wo akasa yi. Abusia aha ena breme ekwan na nsem a endpoint homeopathy clinic so ya sene. Haji special local foods ma ya duane padi ye. Na kasa na kire me no wata ma ye nsuo. Na afi perfect baby diaper. Hwa ye nkoda na ma ye no. Ye de nyina esie. Safe no aso afidie no a ewie yi nsem a ye de wonto ano. Na poso bie ene se
Ghana National Fire Service odumje dwumeku a wonom ewo suhum epoye matemo abamanyese esuboi akwanhia biesi a eka gomienu ya Nokia Renault ena afeyi Hyundai truck ena kase ani ewo Accra ene Kumase kwantimpon ya so biewo enipa mienu etina nanom sedu mienu so prepre mu edin
eno ya awre ho sempa nanso asem bia san beda kire nse maami a friend say patient mbai 41 years ena wane papa ikro no kwa retirement senior warrant officer Jeffrey Inabon wane na akwaje jiamanfo sika so amdo mbeko soja ama atade na kra ma mo hu bimpo sese asem na kodi court a sika mbaye nko age no 675,000 Ghana cedis na bond de 1,005,000 Ghana cedis eno age adwane.
CEO Edema Center for Constitutional Studies aye Ora James Kwabena Bomfa Jr. Wakasa chiremu se constituency no a ye nyina ye womu ewo mayi mu a ye nyina nim se eye amamra ene didi dwuma no de womu pa bi eye kabi mamika bi democracy no Ghana fo bi enkankan amanyofo no ma ye ne toy ne nyina efa tribunal bill ena no ya wada no empanifo agitu mu no ho
Kane mayo anu adan kran pumpuni mantama no wano na ne wa ya ble kuma santam ra sibejoni Alfred Okovandapoy mayo abojo se wo ka de a kire wono mu a edede da mensin anu ne nyina se wo ma adwene no nya adwuma nya se ni padua no bebre pa bola sika wo
opani a wo kasai eye Ora Gabriel Kumi wadi atudwa ese empanimfo enyi etuo na wamodi ato LPG gas mframeja no so no na enye affordable no obi entimintobi opani eye pani a wono dem e Ghana International Petroleum Conference board chairman e wo Koma Kudumedi mu
eno na executive secretary di Marco Peke dankana mu a wase sika no kra so mu nyimfiri wo kra no a wo mo foto wi no mo mfantum na da bia ankwama no wa hawo froto Ghana ya nsa nkwafa to ama
MTN Ghana si wamu ni baby akwa na wamu no wamu eye Pan African Organization. Enti ni se ebia de SCC ewa South Africa no. Wunim say South Africa company nti wan mo be kwa Ghana fo mba mfinhyi aduaseni. Wamu gusu a wamu so sompa.
Akwa binyum wo se metiwuso. Eno no wamu aka no asusufo nso na yeka say Academic Staff Union of Secondary Schools Nigeria de no. Wamu se enkwada say wamu mpe school dem motena wamu adoso. Enti mpanifo mo awon na womo enyi womo sanko classroom na womo nkosua de Sompa 106.5 FM so ene ere kase fa ya de bre na so nya yanko a Sompa 93.1 eje kase egbo peten ye Adamfo pa radio butu Paris France abrochima mu no a womo ko bo no troka ma England eche womo hye womo 6-4 na so ene ye be kan ya ho ena ayi Sompa 101.1 Watakwa 103.3 Watakwa de 106.1 Watachima 98.9 Wosunyane 90.7 Wan Kranza na 101.3 Doma FM 100.7 so eje kasie kana share ban radio FI and afi Kingdom ahima mu pe 106.1 Mankasim enfifi mantamu de papa no obi atie no 106.1 Mankasim de no ne friend Kingdom no eno a na asafo kantanka dawromenti Facebook no so Sompa Accra 106.5 live and Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Nina, what you go, Emma, BBI, fine. YouTube no Sompa FM live. And at www.sompaonline.com. So, and say me, what did you do now? Go, who bet me a quick can be. Yeah, live. Our ticket talk on so. Yeah, follow ye.